Hey everyone. Today, we're talking about one of the sweetest and most genuine emojis out there, the smiling face with smiling eyes. It's the emoji that instantly spreads kindness, comfort, and good vibes. But do you know what it really means and how it changes when a girl or boy sends it? Let's dive in. General meaning. The emoji represents happiness, warmth, gratitude, and friendliness. It's like saying, "I'm really glad you said that," or "that made me smile." It shows sincere emotion, not sarcasm or drama, just pure good energy. You'll often see it in messages that are kind, appreciative, or comforting. It's the digital equivalent of a gentle, heartwarming smile. Basically, you made me genuinely happy. If a girl sends. When a girl sends, it's often her way of expressing sweetness, appreciation, or affection. It could mean, "That was really nice of you. I'm happy talking to you. You made my day." If she's texting you often, would it mean she feels comfortable, safe, and emotionally connected to you? It's a sign of warm trust, and sometimes subtle affection. But if she adds it after something flirty or kind, it's her gentle way of saying, "I like where this is going, but I'm keeping it sweet." If a boy sends. When a boy sends, it usually means he's being genuine, humble, or kind. It could mean, "I really appreciate that. That made me smile. You're easy to talk to." For most guys, this emoji isn't about flirting. It's about comfort and real emotion. But if he sends it repeatedly or after compliments, it can mean he truly likes talking to you and values your vibe. So when a boy sends, it's not a show-off. It's authentic positivity. So next time you see, know it's more than just a smile. It's a heartfelt connection. It says, "I appreciate you and this made me feel good." The emoji is all about warmth, kindness, and genuine happiness. The kind of smile that never fades.